Rolls Royce. The name alone conjures images of ultimate luxury, effortless power, and a certain Britishness. Now imagine all that, but with a silent electric heart. That's the Rolls Royce Spectre 2025. This isn't just a new car, it's a statement. A bold leap into the future of luxury motoring. Forget your Teslas, this is the real deal. The Spectre is a car for those who demand the very best and aren't afraid to embrace change. And what a change it is. This isn't some eco-warriors hatchback, this is a proper Rolls Royce. It's big, it's brash, and it's bloody brilliant. Let's get down to brass tacks, shall we? The Spectre is built by Rolls Royce, obviously. It's a two-door, four-seat coupe. No surprises there then. It made its grand debut in 2023 and shares its platform with the Phantom and Cullinan. And the price? If you have to ask, you can't afford it. But let's just say it starts north of $400,000. Now, for the juicy bits. This is where the magic happens, where engineering meets art, and where performance is not just a number, but an experience. This electric beast packs a punch. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you get there. The acceleration is smooth yet exhilarating, making every drive an adventure. We're talking 2 electric motors, one for each axle. This dual motor setup ensures that power is distributed evenly, giving you unparalleled control and stability, no matter the driving conditions. That means it's all-wheel drive. Whether you're navigating through city streets or tackling rugged terrains, this car adapts effortlessly, providing you with a seamless driving experience. Power? A mind-boggling 577 horsepower. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the engineering prowess that goes into making this car a true powerhouse. Torque? A tarmac shredding 664 pound-feet. This immense torque ensures that you have the power to conquer any road, anytime. That'll get your monocle spinning. It's not just about raw power, it's about the finesse with which this power is delivered, making every drive a luxurious experience. 0 to 60, a mere 4.4 seconds. This kind of acceleration is usually reserved for sports cars, but here it's wrapped in a package of luxury and comfort. Not bad for a car that weighs as much as a small moon. Despite its size, it moves with the grace and agility of a much smaller vehicle, thanks to its advanced engineering. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. This ensures that you have all the speed you need, while still maintaining safety and control. But who needs to go faster when you're being chauffeured? The back seat is a sanctuary of comfort, making every journey a relaxing experience. The battery is a massive 120 kilowatt-hour unit. This ensures that you have the range to go the distance, without constantly worrying about recharging. Range? Expect around 320 miles on a single charge. This means you can embark on long journeys with confidence, knowing that your car can keep up with your adventures. And when you do need to juice up, fast charging gets you back on the road quickly. In just a short amount of time, you'll be ready to continue your journey, making long waits a thing of the past. Right, let's talk about how this thing looks. The design of a Rolls Royce is not just about aesthetics, it's a statement of intent, a declaration of luxury and sophistication. Every curve, every line, every detail is meticulously crafted to exude an aura of elegance and power. The exterior is a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, where classic design elements meet contemporary innovation. It's still unmistakably a Rolls Royce. The front view alone commands attention, with its bold and confident stance. The brand recognition is instant, thanks to the iconic design that has been carefully preserved and evolved over the years. The iconic Pantheon grille is present and correct. This grille is more than just a functional component, it's a symbol of the brand's heritage and prestige. Each vertical slat is polished to perfection, reflecting the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into every Rolls Royce. The Spirit of Ecstasy still glides gracefully at the prow. This emblem is not just an ornament, it's a representation of the brand's spirit and commitment to excellence. The way it catches the light as the car moves is a sight to behold. But it's all been given a modern, aerodynamic twist. The sleek lines and sculpted body not only enhance the car's visual appeal, but also improve its performance. The aerodynamic design reduces drag, making the car more efficient and responsive on the road. The lines are sleek and sculpted. The wheels are massive. It's imposing yet elegant. The large wheels not only add to the car's commanding presence but also ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. The attention to detail in the design is evident in every aspect, from the precise curves to the flawless finish. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of opulence. The interior is a sanctuary of luxury, designed to provide the utmost comfort and sophistication. Every material used is of the highest quality, and every feature is crafted with precision and care. The Starlight headliner, a Rolls Royce signature, twinkles above you. This feature is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating an ambiance of tranquility and luxury. The tiny fiber optic lights mimic a starry night sky, adding a touch of magic to every journey. The leather is softer than a newborn lamb. The seats are not just comfortable, they are a testament to the brand's commitment to luxury. The leather is hand-selected and meticulously crafted to ensure the highest level of comfort and durability. The wood trim is exquisite. Each piece of wood is carefully chosen and handcrafted to perfection. The natural grain and texture add a touch of warmth and elegance to the interior, creating a harmonious blend of luxury and nature. And the carpets are so thick you'll want to take your shoes off. The plush carpets add to the overall sense of comfort and luxury, making every journey a pleasurable experience. Every detail, no matter how small, is designed to enhance the overall experience of driving or being driven in a Rolls Royce. Section 5. The digital heart of opulence. Don't think for a minute that this car is stuck in the past though, it's packed with technology. You get a massive digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system is controlled by a touchscreen that rises from the dash. And of course there's a head-up display. There's also a full suite of driver assistance systems. Think adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and all that jazz. And because this is a Rolls Royce, you can be sure that the software will be kept up to date. Section 6. The allure of silence, advantages of the Spectre. So what's it like to actually drive? Well, the first thing you notice is the silence. No roaring engine, no clattering gearbox, just pure, serene electric power. It's quite eerie actually, but in a good way. The interior is of course a lovely place to be. It's quiet, comfortable, and beautifully appointed. And the range is impressive for a car of this size and weight. You could easily do a long journey without breaking a sweat, or needing to stop for fuel. Section 7. A ghostly whisper, disadvantages of the Spectre. Now, there are a few downsides to owning a Rolls Royce Spectre. While it is a marvel of modern engineering and luxury, it does come with its own set of challenges that potential buyers should be aware of. Let's get the obvious one out of the way: the price. It's expensive, very expensive. The base price alone is enough to make most people think twice, but that's just the beginning. Once you start adding the myriad of customization options, the cost can skyrocket. From bespoke interiors to personalized paint jobs, the list of add-ons is almost endless, and each one comes with a hefty price tag. And that's before you start ticking options. Then there's the weight. The Spectre is a heavy car, and this is something that can't be ignored. The weight affects not just the handling but also the overall driving experience. Electric cars are heavy, and the Spectre is no exception. The battery pack alone adds a significant amount of weight, which in turn affects the car's agility. While the Spectre is designed to offer a smooth and comfortable ride, the added weight can make it feel less nimble, especially in tight corners or during quick maneuvers. This does affect the handling somewhat. It's not that the Spectre handles poorly, but it's clear that this car is not built for spirited driving. The weight and size make it more suited for relaxed cruising rather than aggressive cornering. Let's be honest, this isn't a car designed for carving up back roads. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers a thrilling driving experience on twisty roads, the Spectre might not be the best choice. It's more about wafting along in supreme comfort, enveloping you in luxury as you glide down the highway. It's more about wafting along in supreme comfort. The Spectre excels in providing a serene and plush driving experience, making it perfect for long, leisurely drives where comfort is paramount. The interior is a sanctuary of luxury designed to cocoon its occupants in the finest materials and advanced technology. And finally, there's the issue of charging infrastructure. While it's improving all the time, it's still not as widespread as it needs to be. For a car like the Spectre, which is likely to be used for long-distance travel, the availability of charging stations can be a concern. While it's improving all the time, it's still not as widespread as it needs to be. This can be particularly problematic if you're planning a long journey. The last thing you want is to be stranded in the middle of nowhere, searching for a charging point, especially if you're planning a long journey. Planning your route around available charging stations can be a hassle, and it requires a level of foresight that traditional gasoline-powered cars simply don't demand. Despite these drawbacks, the Spectre remains a remarkable vehicle, offering unparalleled luxury and a glimpse into the future of electric mobility. Section 8. The future is electric, luxurious, and here. So there you have it. The Rolls Royce Spectre 2025. A car that seamlessly blends luxury, performance, and technology. It's a sign of things to come. The future of luxury motoring is electric. And if the Spectre is anything to go by, it's going to be very exciting indeed. Section 9. A legacy forged in electrons. Rolls-Royce has always been at the forefront of automotive innovation, and with the Spectre, they've done it again. This isn't just a great car, it's a game changer. It's a car that will redefine what it means to be a luxury electric vehicle, and that, my friends, is something to celebrate.